Hello guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you new project. This project about stepper control by touch display. Let's get started. I use ILI9341 touch display, Esp32 and 28 BYG cheap stepper motor. Code parts end of the video. When you power on, first program Esp32 touch calibrate. For doing this, touch the corner. After seeing main screen, as you can see three value. One of them turn, other one step, and the last one speed. Turn and step same mean our name, but speed show us from 0 to 100. You can change speed. Also you can control direction with these two buttons. Last button is start and stop. I use original motor control IC. Let's continue with code section. We are use TFT ESPI and AccelStepper library in this code. Libraries and code links in description. Also you can find in here. This pins on setup. You can redefine for your setup. We drive stepper like full step, normal stepper. But don't change this line. This code use both core of Esp32. Don't change other things. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and see you in next project.